interpretation of the 2:38 to 4:58 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time on Saturday, the 5th of September, 2015 dream. Alone in my septernal throne, I dwell in the spirit while the feelings and thoughts thoughted out. Beltane are the bright quarter of the year decorated me with its denials and affirmations. Aspirations came in and renunciations came out. The chair was of my decision, and the light and sound was overwhelming. The places were of the mental construction of the consciousness of death and the unseen, and of the psychology of the hermit and scholar. My self-controlled orientation was of will, power, and purification. There was below and above, within and without, but I was amongst. I evoked only myself and God. I invoked only God. In Eckankar, it may be said that I went to the PDT monastery and met Banjani as a yellow cloud. Thubiquance might have been said to be the red cloud, and Harold Klemp as the current Mahanta, the living Eckmaster, would have been thought of as the blue cloud. I didn't really think it was the interpretation, and have never deemed a so-called Eckmaster to ever be present. They might also say the black is of the highest spiritual planes, the yellow is of the 5 soul planes, the blue is of the mental plane, and maybe causal through etheric plane, and the red is of the astral plane. Well, they say the purple of the etheric plane because they usually divide that into the etheric as the higher part of the mental plane, but and the red is of the astral plane. The final buildings might be seen as the Katsipari Monastery of northern Tibet. The first building is seen as the domain of Banjani, the second as of Thubiquance, and the one considered to be a living Eckmaster is thought to be omnipresent by his worshippers. I only worship God. Hugh.